the Father, I believe. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
You created heaven and earth. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
I believe in Jesus Christ. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
Everlasting Son of God. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe.
Equal in the Father's power. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
And through Him all things were made. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
He it was who saved us all. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
From heaven He came to earth. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe.
All the Virgin Mary born. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
By the Spirit was made flesh. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
Suffered death, was crucified. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
And He rose up from the dead. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe.
He ascended into heaven. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
And His kingdom has no end. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
In the Spirit I believe. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
Lord and He, the fire of all. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe.
With the Father and the Son. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
He's adored and glorified. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
I believe the Holy Church. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
And one baptism professed. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe.
I shall see Him in heaven. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
Even in the world to come. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
Amen, amen, amen. Amen, amen, amen. As a child of God, do you feed the hungry? As a child of God, do you shelter the homeless? As a child of God, do you cover the naked? As a child of God, do you help the weary find rest? As a child of God, do you calm the fears of the anxious? As a child of God, do you listen and care for the restless? As a child of God, do you give love to the lonely? As a child of God, do you visit the prisoners? As a child of God, do you care for the needs of the sick? Oh, let us go to Jesus Christ, going God. Let us go in the Jesus Christ, setting humanity for the love of God. As a child of God,